This girl's living room needs something that stands out and grabs the attention of her visitors. She asked a friend for help to be her model. Then, she covered her torso and one hand holding her bust with strips of plaster gauze to create a mold of that part of the body. Her idea is extraordinary. With the mold ready, she poured liquid plastic into it. When it dried, she had to trim the irregular edges. She cut out a heart shape at the bottom. She hung the piece and painted it in a very striking blue. She also added gold details to highlight the ring on the hand and the edge of the heart. In addition, she coated a light bulb with acrylic. This was the most important part of her work, because what this creative girl wanted to create was a kind of Art Deco lamp that no one, not even the most distracted visitor, would overlook. Tell me, should we decorate your living room with this luminous artwork? She is a costume designer, and she wants to create an original outfit, starting with a custom-made sculpture of her friend's body. After covering the torso, arms, and thighs of the young model with plastic, the designer poured plaster over her. When she got what she needed, the designer joined the two pieces of the mold and filled it with foam. This gave her a mannequin with the exact measurements of her friend's body. Their system may be too complicated, but it works. Plus, both friends had fun in the process. Then, the designer began the real work with the pieces of rubberized fabric she wanted to use to create a hooded jacket, as fabulous as it is unique, to which she added an impressive design on the back, like a flame of burning fire. The jacket has it all: pockets to hold everything a person could need. Isn't it perfect for riding a motorcycle? What do you think about the project?
No, this man is not making a mask for his friend. With silicone and gauze, he wants to create a perfect mold of the girl's head and shoulders to make a sculpture. Once the mold was ready, the sculptor covered each part with a generous layer of gypsum and reassembled them. Here, the hard work began. On the head and part of the torso, the sculptor manipulated the plaster to give the surface a moon-like appearance. Or at least, that's what it looks like to me. He cut out the face. He painted the rest of the sculpture gray and black inside. There he put some lights. On the other hand, the guy made up the face of the sculpture, adding even false eyelashes. Then he reattached it to the sculpture with a hinge. Well, seeing the finished project, it seems that the sculptor is going to use his design as a night lamp. Where would you use it? This girl's DIY project is taking lip art to the next level. She creates a silicone mold of her lips and uses it to make a lamp that is both creative and eye-catching.